This is my book.
Kani waa buuggayga.
This is their book.
Kani waa buuggooda.
This is her book.
Kani waa buuggeeda.
This is your cat.
Kani waa bisadaada.
This is their cat.
Kani waa bisadooda.
This is his car.
Kani waa gaarigiisa.
This is her car.
Kani waa gaarigeeda.
This is their car.
Kani waa gaarigooda.
This is their bed.
Kani waa sariirtooda.
This is her bed.
Kani waa sariirteeda.
This is Ahmed's cat.
Kani waa bisada Ahmed.
This is Sarah's car.
Kani waa gaariga Sahra.
This is Marian's son.
Kani waa wiilka Maryan.
This is Robel's daughter.
Kani waa gabadha Roble.
These are Lul's children.
Kuwaani waa carruurta Luul.
This is Safia's book.
Kani waa buugga Safiya.
This is Kumar's bed.
Kani waa sariirta Umar.
The children are competing.
Carruurtu way tartamayaan.
The man is running.
Ninku wuu ordayaa.
They are entering.
Way gelayaan.
You are singing.
Waad heesaysaa.
I am running.
Waan ordayaa.
He is entering.
Wuu gelayaa.
She is eating bread.
Waxay cunaysaa rooti.
He is eating a banana.
Wuxuu cunayaa moos.
I am singing a nice song.
Waan heesayaa hees fiican.
You are reading my book.
Waad akhrinaysaa buuggayga.
They are drawing a house.
Waxay sawirayaan guri.
The children are playing football.
Carruurtu way ciyaarayaan kubadda cagta.
The teacher is reading a nice story.
Macallinku wuxuu akhrinayaa sheeko fiican.
The doctor is watching the big car.
Dhakhtarku wuxuu daawanayaa gaariga weyn.
The girl is writing her name.
Gabadhu waxay qoraysaa magaceeda.